and different teachers have been appointed, some by the government, some by the managing committees, and therefore it will be difficult for us to simply try to merge them, because at the end of the day, the financing that comes and the salaries are paid from different sources for different teachers. For example, the SSA salaries are coming to large chunk from Government of India. The ad hoc teachers, we give grant and aid to the respective schools, and then they, along with their own income, along with the grant and aid given from our side, they give salaries to the teachers. Government school teachers receive from the government. So they're all in different categories and appointed separately, and hence any change in that, or any step towards trying to remove some of the categories will obviously create a lot of friction, and it's not so simple, and therefore it has to be dealt very delicately, and but slowly and steadily we can start off by trying to get to the low-hanging fruits, where, for example, there are certain schools that have less students and more teachers. So some kind of rationalization processes can start there. There are some schools which don't have any students. There are some schools which are, in fact, in the same location there are 2-3 schools, and hence the overall utility is not there. Some areas don't have a single school. So some rationalization can be done at the first go, but to be able to say that we are going to completely do away with certain sections of certain classifications of teachers and remove them, it's not that simple. It's complicated, but we'll have to slowly work towards it.